We're trying to help customers on their journey to the cloud, right? And that journey is not really just about an endpoint of shifting everything to a public cloud, meeting them in the right spot in the journey and helping them along that path. So a lot of times that can be bringing their workloads to a public cloud, but it can also be revolutionizing their on-premise infrastructure to a private cloud. And really our goal as a managed infrastructure service portfolio is to give customers the option so they can really have a complete hybrid cloud and multi-cloud strategy. What IBM is announcing is a new managed private cloud infrastructure as a service. So really the whole goal here is to provide customers the infrastructure they need to run their IT, but to do it on-premise as a cloud model. So we deliver it as a fully managed environment, but in a private cloud setting, so it's in a customer's own data center, own firewall, but they get all the benefits of a public cloud in their own data center. A lot of people confuse at times private cloud with being the traditional legacy on-premise environment they've always had. But really there's a difference in the flexibility and the economics of having a true private cloud. Customers in the past have always bought their own systems, managed it themselves, set it up themselves, run it themselves, and then built that on-premise. Now with a private cloud, we actually can turn that into an environment that is managed by us as a cloud provider for the end customer. We can give the economics of they only pay for what they use when they need it, no upfront payments in that model, and then a fully managed environment where we can put their workloads in the right place at the right time on the right flexibility. IBM Services and VMware have had a long history and strong partnership. Right? We've been helping customers on their premise implement and deploy VMware virtualized environments, and we've been helping customers move to a virtualized VMware environment on IBM Cloud. Now we have another option in a hybrid cloud strategy where we can help customers do a virtualized VMware environment in a private cloud model, as well as still have a VMware virtualized in a public cloud IBM Cloud model. This really gives us the ability to have a virtualized environment both sides and use VMware capabilities like vMotion and virtualization technology to actually help customers move workloads back and forth between a private cloud and a public cloud and really manage both those environments and have them interop as one larger hybrid cloud strategy. We've seen some early customers save up to as much as 79% in their first year by moving to an OpEx model where they're only paying as they need it for what they need versus a traditional CapEx model where customers are pre-buying their infrastructure and pre-sizing often then for the next 5 or 6 years all up front in day one just to be ready for that future growth. We provide infrastructure that's flexible and dynamic over time so customers have the environment they need for today, and as their business needs grow or scale or even fluctuate up and down, that environment will change and be what the customer needs at that time and only pay for what they use when they use it.